Does Charlie like his new litter box? Guys, we are back with another video. This is going to be a good one. So we were able to get an automatic self-cleaning litter box for our cats. So I've got my daughter here. She's the cat lover. I tolerate them. I don't mind the cats, but Melissa and the wife absolutely love them. This is going to help Melissa in keeping the litter box clean. So hopefully what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this today. We're going to do some first impressions, kind of a quick setup. We're going to put the cats in a different room after I get it set up, and we're going to do a self-test. We're going to run it, see how quiet it is, stuff like that. So I'm very excited about this product. This is one of the top brands on the market. Stuff here to let you know what it actually does. So pretty simple, self-clean litter box, right? It's a robot. It's got a bin. It holds the extra waste from the cat. This can go up to, we can use up to 4 cats in this one litter box. Obviously you'd have to empty it out more, but we have 2 cats. So she's hoping we can put this downstairs once a week, empty the drawer, and then once a month clean the entire unit. And we can maybe do a video then to let you guys know how much of a hassle it is to actually do the maintenance on these. But it's going to be a lot less maintenance than going down there every day and cleaning a litter box, because one thing I know, cats, like most cats, have to have a clean litter box. So they're going to go in, they're going to do their thing, and there's a delay. There's an app for this. So you start up the app, 15-minute delay, it clumps. The system turns on, it sifts through the litter, and the waste goes into a drawer. So the key features for this, hey, okay, I'm good, I'm not gonna hurt you. You always run. The other cat's probably not gonna show up, guys. The key features on this one, so this is our first self litter box. I've wanted one for years, and they're a little pricey, guys. So hopefully we open this up and you guys decide that this is something you want for your cat family, and you guys go out and buy it. We'll have a link in the description on where to purchase this. So this one here, self-cleaning, of course. There's a smart home app. I've looked over the app briefly. Since I haven't opened it yet, we're gonna hook it up to the app. It looks like a very nice app. It gets high ratings in the App Store. This one says it has a larger waste drawer. So this is their second one. This is the company, so it's Smarty Pear is the company. This is their second cleaning robot. And it is, one is right here, if you guys can see it. We'll get it out of the box, obviously. It's one of the nicest looking units that I've seen on the market. There's a couple other competitors, but they claim they're #1. So we're gonna see what this one's like. Whisper quiet, so it's under 30 decibels while it's running, so the cat won't be scared and it won't be loud. There's a UV light treatment. So what I've read is the cat goes to the bathroom, the waste goes in the drawer, it's gonna dump through a UV light, which if there's bacteria or, you know, debris, it's gonna kill that bacteria. And then it says there's a single mode leak-free drum, which is great. We don't want it leaking over the edges. So we got the baby blue one. That's what they look like, guys. But we're gonna unbox it here and you can see it. We got this blue one right here. Yeah, the blue one. And they have different colors, so it's really nice looking to fit your decor. All right, guys. Let's get this thing unboxed. So the reason for these unboxings for Adam's channel, we're gonna be honest. You know that Adam's honest with all his robotic vacuums, and we figure this is a robot. It's not a vacuum, of course, but it's gonna fit in great with the things he does. And we're gonna be honest with you. We're gonna be honest with you on the first impressions. We're gonna just be honest, and that's what's great about this channel. I'm unboxing this for the first time. I have no idea what to expect in this box. How hard is it to set up? Are the instructions good? How's their customer service? All that stuff. We're gonna learn that now. So let's see, number one. 180 degrees. That means turn it completely over, right? Got the instructions right in the box. Box is really nice, guys. All right, so we're gonna unbox it upside down. You excited, Melissa? I am too. We've had this for about a week, guys. We've been so busy here.
Oh, it's a little throne.
It's a throne. That is a cool. It's got a little throne here, a cat's throne. Guys, as you can see, this is a big box. Melissa was sitting on it. All right, Melissa. So it's upside down. Okay, hey, first impressions. It's upside down, but we turn the box upside down. Oh yeah, guys, so this has a, when I do my full review, we're gonna go through the details of this. So what a lot of people, they love their cats, obviously, and you wanna know if they have health problems. So what these things do, let's pull it out here. So what I was saying, guys, was this has, because I just noticed it's a scale. So when the cat goes in to do their business, it's going to message you and it's going to tell you which cat is in the box and how often they're going to the bathroom. So if a cat typically goes number 2 once a day, but they're going 4 times a day, is going to be a problem, and you can call your veterinarian. So this will weigh them every time they get in. It tells you the weight. It knows by which cat it is by the weight. Oh yeah, much better now. All right. Set this down. Upright. Wow, this is, so I think it's fully assembled. Nice. Throw this on the floor. Man, you cats are lucky, aren't they? All right, let me get the camera. Come up closer. Wow. Yeah, so this is really nice. Turn off, adding litter, turn off, add litter, turn on. This is your carbon filter, guys. So it keeps the smell down.
Trash bags.
There's trash bags.
Power cord.
And the power cord, all in here. So guys, this is an easy unboxing. The cat is over there worried about the box.
Use your manuals.
Yes, the manuals. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set the phone down, Melissa. We're gonna get it plugged up and turned on. Place your device on a solid surface, no carpets, to ensure sensors function properly. Keep minimum distance 1 inch from walls, furniture, and other. Yeah. This is gonna be simple, guys. Simple setup. Pull that off. It's got a heck of a, how deep that is. Feel that, Melissa? It's got like a liner in there.
Oh, silicone?
Yes.
Like rubber.
There's your, the litter goes through there and it keeps it, and then the waste goes down through that little tunnel in the back and falls down into this bucket. And there'll be a bag in here, and when this is full, you'll get a notification on your app. You come out, you take the bag out, you wad it up, you throw it in your trash can, and the smells are supposed to be at a minimum. So I did notice, guys, there's a little, I can always talk to customer service. It looks like there may need to be a little bit more glue on here. This is just first impressions. So I just wanted you guys to note that's kind of not all the way down. What's it say?
Happy kitty. Sad kitty.
Would love to hear from you. So yeah, when I can just tell customer support that mine, from what I could tell, was perfect, except it needed to be here down there a little bit better. So, but we got to let you guys see everything that's going on. And I know this unit comes apart very easily, but that'll be in the full review. Comes apart in like 4 pieces, and you can take this drum out of here and take it to your backyard and wash it. And then the silicone might need to be wiped down with a rag or some mild detergent. And then you put it all back together, and it's good for another month or 2. Looks like it holds a lot of litter, Melissa. Because I see the Max line there. Other ones that I've kind of researched, looks like might use a little less litter, but we'll figure all that out later. Yeah, this is a nice looking unit. They gave you 2 extra and they gave you 10 bags to start. So self-explanatory, we're gonna turn this on. Most cats, they say to leave the room, have the cats out of here, because we want the cat to go in the litter box. So let's turn it on. It says to hold it for 5 seconds. All right, it's in pairing mode. Hey, you like it? Get in there. There it goes, so there it goes. So it's self-calibrating the drum. It is very quiet, guys. That did not scare the cat at all. So it's probably gonna tell me in the app to add litter. What we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna add litter. We're gonna put this downstairs. We're gonna put it through its test for a couple weeks. I would say 2 to 3 weeks to really give you guys a review, and I'll have my daughter back at that time, and we will tell you how much of a hassle this was, if there are any errors, or if it's been flawless, or how the cats like it, and we'll go from there. But yeah, initial impressions, Melissa, what do you think? Pretty nice?
Yeah, I like the color.
Color's nice. You guys
Charlie likes it.
Yeah, Charlie likes it. There you go, good. Yeah, good boy. Yeah, so guys, there's a learning curve to this with the cats, but I heard some cats go in it immediately. Other cats can take up to a week to change from their old litter box to this one. So we're gonna have the old litter box near this and get the cats trained, and we will let you guys know in a future video what we think of this, and we'll do a full review. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please like and subscribe. And if this is something you guys would be interested in, there'll be a link in the description. And if you guys have one of these, leave a comment. Want to get some dialogue going.
Drop.
So, cat's being bad. This cat explores so much that it should have no problem. Charlie should have no problem going in there to go to the bathroom. He's probably going to get in there when we're not looking, because he gets in cabinets and drawers and up on the refrigerator and everywhere else. So this will be simple for him. I'm not so sure about the other cat, but we will keep you guys updated. Thank you for watching. Charlie, you gonna go in there? There you go. Good boy. See you guys, it's gonna be easy. We get litter in there, he would have gone in. All right, thank you. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. We will update you on the Leo Lou 2. See you in the next video, guys.